Have you started looking into building an online business and kept hearing this one word, niche? Maybe you're not totally sure what is niche in online business or why everyone keeps talking about it. If you feel confused by this fundamental concept, it's time to stop being confused. Understanding your niche is the absolute key to clarity and success. Stick around, and I'll explain exactly what is niche in online business and why it truly matters for your venture. Many beginners feel overwhelmed because the online world seems so vast. They know they need an idea, but when they hear niche, it adds another layer of confusion. They don't clearly understand what is niche in online business and how it applies to them. This confusion can lead to aimless effort and frustration. Imagine having a clear focus for your online business, knowing exactly who you serve and what specific problem you solve. That's the power of understanding your niche. So, simply put, what is niche in online business? It's a specific segment of a larger market. It's a focused group of people with unique needs, problems, or interests that you aim to serve. Think of it as your specific corner of the internet where your business belongs. Knowing what is niche in online business allows you to stop trying to reach everyone and focus only on your ideal customers. Why does it matter so much? Because trying to serve everyone means getting lost in the crowd. When you understand what is niche in online business and define yours, you reduce competition, make your marketing laser-targeted, and build authority faster. It simplifies everything from messaging to finding customers. Understanding what is niche in online business is the absolute foundation for a successful, profitable online business. Stop being confused about what is niche in online business. Understanding this concept unlocks clarity and direction. Ready to dive deeper now that you know what is niche in online business? Check out my other videos on finding your online business niche and niche market research to learn how to apply this knowledge to your own online business.